This is the 3D Viewmaster science fiction adventure Thunderbirds by Gerry Anderson. Viewmaster Reel 1. Picture 1. US Air Force plane takes off from the airport. Picture 2. Soon the jet gains full speed. Picture 3. But the crew is unaware of the hood's plans. Picture 4. On his magic screen, the hood watches the flight. Picture 5. Struck by the hood's ray, the aircraft comes down. Picture 6. An SOS from the plane arrives at the airport. Picture 7. In Space Monitor Thunderbird 5, Jeff receives the rescue call. Viewmaster Reel 2. Picture 8. Tracy and his boys are ready for rescue. Picture 9. So is Thunderbird 1 in the lounge bay. Picture 10. Thunderbird 1 is launched. Picture 11. Scott lowers Thunderbird 1 over the disaster area. Picture 12. Hood tries to strike Thunderbird 1 with his ray. Picture 13. But Scott operates his anti-ray device. Picture 14. Tracy decides to send Thunderbird 2 in support. Viewmaster Reel 3. Picture 15. The mighty Thunderbird 2 takes off. Picture 16. The moment Thunderbird 2 joins Thunderbird 1, the jet starts to slip. Picture 17. Quick as thought, Thunderbird 1 fires 2 large spears. Picture 18. Virgil brings Thunderbirds 2 into rescue position. Picture 19. And picks up the wreck with his magnetic grabs. Picture 20. Mission accomplished. Scott goes after the hood. Picture 21. The international rescue team relax after the victory. We want to add new videos every day, so please subscribe to our channel.
And if you had fun, thumbs up.